Not every journey ends when the path disappears. Some continue in the silence they leave behind. What we've seen is only a glimpse, a fragment of a world still waiting to be explored. Every image fades, but the feeling remains. From hidden landscapes to unseen wonders, each destination reveals a story shaped by time, nature, and quiet discovery. These places are more than just beautiful scenes. They are moments that stay with you long after the journey ends. Every frame becomes a memory, every view a question left unanswered. Perhaps the world is far more mysterious than we imagine, filled with places that exist beyond the familiar, waiting not to be visited, but to be truly seen. The journey never really ends, it only leads to the next discovery. This is not just travel, this is exploration, curiosity, and wonder captured in cinematic 4K and 8K documentary style, until the next journey begins. Spread across more than 7,000 islands, the Philippines reveals a landscape defined by water, mountains, and tropical diversity. Limestone cliffs, volcanic peaks, dense jungles, and coral-rich seas create a world of striking contrasts and natural beauty. Each island holds its own character, making the geography both dynamic and deeply cinematic. White stretch endlessly beneath soft golden light blending seamlessly into crystal clear waters. The horizon glows with quiet warmth where sky and sea meet in perfect harmony. The atmosphere feels calm, almost unreal, like a scene untouched by time. Boracay stands as one of the most iconic yet unseen tropical wonders in the Philippines. Known for its powdery white sand and turquoise waters, this island reveals a level of natural beauty that feels both refined and raw. Every moment here feels effortless, immersive, and cinematic. But beyond its famous shoreline lies something deeper. What makes this place feel so perfectly balanced and endlessly inviting? Perhaps it's the purity of its landscape, where simplicity becomes its greatest strength. Waves roll gently across the shore, sunsets paint the sky in soft gradients, and the sea reflects every shift of light. The atmosphere transforms throughout the day, creating a constantly evolving visual experience. Every frame feels peaceful, bright, and captivating. This is not just a beach. This is a journey into hidden tropical perfection, captured in immersive 4K travel documentary style. Hundreds of rounded hills rise from the earth, spreading across the horizon in perfect repetition. Their form appear almost artificial, as if placed deliberately by unseen hands. The landscape feels surreal, quiet, and strangely hypnotic. Chocolate Hills stand as one of the most unique and unseen natural wonders in the Philippines. Located in Bohol, this geological formation consists of over 1,000 symmetrical hills that turn rich brown during the dry season, creating their iconic appearance. Every view feels otherworldly and cinematic. But beyond their unusual shape lies a deeper mystery. How did nature sculpt such uniform hills across such a vast area? Legends speak of giants and ancient forces, while science reveals a story shaped over thousands of years. From above, the hills form endless patterns, stretching into the distance under shifting light. Seasons transform their color and mood, changing the entire atmosphere of the landscape. Every moment feels quiet, strange, and captivating. This is not just a natural formation. This is a journey into one of Earth's most surreal landscapes, captured in immersive 4K travel documentary style. Towering limestone cliffs rise sharply from emerald waters, casting shadows that shift with the light. Hidden lagoons appear between narrow openings, revealing spaces that feel secret and untouched. The entire landscape feels surreal, as if shaped beyond imagination. Palawan stands as one of the most breathtaking unseen wonders in the Philippines, known for its dramatic karst formations, crystal-clear waters, and hidden beaches. This island province reveals a world of raw and cinematic beauty. Every corner feels like a discovery waiting to unfold. But beyond its iconic scenery lies a deeper mystery. How did nature create such intricate formations with such perfect balance? As boats glide through narrow passages, the landscape reveals itself slowly, each moment more mesmerizing than the last. Sunlight pierces through turquoise lagoons, coral reefs thrive beneath the surface, and jungle-covered cliffs rise in silence. The atmosphere feels immersive, wild, and untouched. Every frame captures a sense of pure exploration. This is not just an island. This is a journey into hidden natural wonders and tropical mystery, captured in immersive 4K travel documentary style. A calm lake stretches across the landscape, yet at its center something quietly powerful begins to rise. Smoke drifts gently from within, hinting at a force hidden beneath the surface. The stillness feels deceptive, as if nature is holding its breath. Taal volcano stands as one of the most unique and unseen natural wonders in the Philippines. Located within a lake on Luzon, this active volcano creates a rare landscape where water and fire exist side by side. Its layered formation forms an island within a lake, within another island, both complex and mesmerizing. But beyond its beauty lies a deeper tension. How can something so peaceful hold such immense power? Beneath the surface, volcanic energy continues to shape the land, reminding us of nature's unpredictable force. Steam rises quietly from the crater waters, reflect the shifting sky, and surrounding hills frame the entire scene. The contrast between calm and danger creates a cinematic atmosphere that feels both serene and intense. Every moment carries a sense of hidden energy. This is not just a volcano. This is a journey into balance between creation and destruction, captured in immersive 4K travel documentary style. Endless layers carve into the mountains, shaped by hands long before modern time began. Green curves follow the contours of the land, creating patterns that feel both natural and intentional. The landscape feels alive, quiet, and deeply rooted in history. Banaue rice terraces stand as one of the most extraordinary unseen wonders in the Philippines. Built over 2,000 years ago by indigenous communities, these terraces transform steep mountains into a living agricultural masterpiece. Every level reflects a harmony between human effort and natural form. But beyond their beauty lies a deeper meaning. How did generations sustain such a complex system across centuries? Perhaps it's the deep connection between people and land, where tradition and survival exist as one. Mist drifts across layered fields, water flows gently from one terrace to another, and distant villages rest among the mountains. The atmosphere feels timeless, immersive, and profoundly cinematic. Every moment carries a sense of legacy and balance. This is not just a landscape. This is a journey into human ingenuity and natural harmony, captured in immersive 4K travel documentary style. Waves roll in perfect rhythm, breaking against the shore with quiet precision. The ocean stretches endlessly toward the horizon, where light dances across every moving surface. The atmosphere feels free, raw, and deeply alive. Siargao Island stands as one of the most vibrant yet unseen wonders in the Philippines, known for its world-class waves, hidden lagoons, and untouched tropical landscapes. This island reveals a balance between energy and serenity. Every corner feels wild, immersive, and cinematic. But beyond its surf culture lies something deeper. What gives this place its effortless sense of freedom and connection to nature? Perhaps it's the harmony between ocean and land, where movement and stillness exist side by side. Palm trees sway over turquoise waters, natural pools form between rock formations, and boats drift slowly along quiet shores. The scenery shifts from dynamic to peaceful in a single moment, creating a constantly evolving experience. Every frame feels authentic and untamed. This is not just an island. This is a journey into hidden rhythm and tropical freedom, captured in immersive 4K travel documentary style. A perfect cone rises against the horizon, its symmetry so precise it feels almost unreal. Clouds gather around its peak, revealing and concealing its form in quiet motion. The presence feels calm, yet holds a hidden intensity beneath the surface. Mayon volcano stands as one of the most iconic yet unseen wonders in the Philippines, known for its near-perfect shape This active volcano dominates the surrounding landscape with both beauty and power. Every angle reveals a balance between elegance and raw natural force. But beyond its flawless form lies a deeper tension. How can something so visually perfect hold such unpredictable energy? Beneath its surface, volcanic activity continues to shape the land, reminding us of nature's quiet strength. Lava fields stretch across its base, green plains surround its slopes, and sunlight shifts across its symmetrical lines. The contrast creates a cinematic experience that feels both serene and powerful. Every moment carries a sense of awe and respect. This is not just a volcano. This is a journey into natural perfection and hidden power captured in immersive 4K travel documentary style. A perfect form floats in empty space, sharp edges cutting through silence with absolute precision. Light bends across its surface, revealing symmetry that feels both simple and infinite. The presence is minimal, yet strangely powerful. The cube stands as one of the most fundamental and unseen forms in geometry, a structure defined by balance, where every side, every angle, and every line exists in perfect harmony. It represents order, stability, and the essence of spatial design. But beyond its simplicity lies a deeper idea. How can something so basic hold such complexity in meaning? From architecture to art, the cube becomes a foundation, a symbol of control within space. Shadows shift across its faces, perspective transforms its appearance, and scale changes its impact completely. The experience becomes cinematic, abstract, and thought-provoking. Every angle reveals a new dimension of understanding. This is not just a shape. This is a journey into pure form and structural perfection, captured in a minimal, cinematic visual experience. A dark river disappears into the mountain, where light fades and silence takes over. The entrance feels like a threshold, leading into a world hidden beneath the surface. The atmosphere is mysterious, calm, and deeply immersive. Puerto Princesa reveals one of the most extraordinary unseen wonders in the Philippines, an underground river flowing through vast limestone caves, hidden beneath dense forest. This natural system stretches into darkness, where rock formations and water shape a surreal landscape. Every moment feels like entering another world. But beyond its beauty lies a deeper mystery. How does a river carve its way through solid stone in complete darkness? Over time, nature has sculpted chambers, stalactites, and hidden passages, creating a space both ancient and alive. Boats glide quietly through the cave, echoes ripple across still water, and faint light reveals textures formed over thousands of years. The experience feels cinematic, otherworldly, and profoundly silent. Every frame captures a sense